Thank you, Pallavi International School. So I, on behalf of Telangana State Police and Telangana Police Academy, I would like to thank everyone. So first thing I'll say is, if somebody says that you are encrypted, you are safe, there is something called as privacy, then please, I'm rest assured, there is nothing called as privacy. It is just an illusion what everybody thinks. So even if you are talking on WhatsApp, we have content of your WhatsApp. Even if you are sending a one-time photograph, we have the content on wherever you are sending. It is not me, right? Because since I am legally bounded, I am entitled to do it. But if I can use it, everybody can use it. So whatever you are posting online, wherever you are sending your photographs, wherever you are sending your details, we have those details with us. So let's see, for example, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Snapchat, then your banking, all banks are interested, right? Even you use Google Pay, Phone Pay. So everybody is in that platform. So you don't have to worry about anything. State Police has its own entity. So please use this service so that at least if you feel something is going wrong with you, you can actually reach out to them. For the ones who have actually lost their money, try calling 1930 if you have any transaction copies. I mean, when you do a transaction on Google Pay or Phone Pay, right, you get reference number, right? Using that reference number, you can still dial 1930. So there is a probability that you might get your money back still if you have lost and you're going to Delhi. So call automatically routes Telangana itself because you're using a Telangana number. So if somebody is using a Delhi number or some other number, so that call automatically redirects to that state because that we have made it so simple that, so let's see, for example, why it was 1930, why it was made was people started complaining about us. What they started complaining about is, यार हम लोग पुलिस स्टेशन जाते हैं वहाँ पे nobody takes care of us, so they make us sit for some time. It happens till evening, but nobody even responds to us, and they ask us to again come back later. And if we say that our money is lost, start asking from where the money came from, who are you, that type of questions were coming up. So what Ministry of Home Affairs done is, problem है कि victim को थाने जाना पड़ रहा है. अभी हम यहाँ पे ऐसे करेंगे, let's make a toll free number, let the victim itself call from wherever he is, irrespective of which state, right? Wherever he is, let him call 1930, let him give his grievance. So once he gives his grievance, let him go to the nearest police station wherever he or she stays. And it is not important that you have to go then and there. As soon as you call 1930, automatically the account from which the amount was debited from and the one who received your money, that account gets blocked automatically. So you don't have to do anything. So even the victim will get a message that this much amount has been kept on hold. So you would get a, what do you call, bharosa bolte hain use, right? That's okay, something has happened and I'm safe. So that is what is the beauty of 1930. So even if you go after 3 days to the police station just to file an FIR, lodge an FIR, still you would get the money back. But the money which you get you get from the court. That would take around like 3 to 6 months, depending upon which police station it is. But at least you are safe that the money which I have lost is with me. So now at least we have some hope. I don't have a GPay, I don't have a phone pay. So I still go to the bank. I sit for 1 hour. I withdraw the amount and I come back. So it is not that I'm scared. It is just that I don't want people to know what I am doing. Right. I'll tell you why. The reason why I don't do this because if I do one transaction, the opposite person knows where my location is and he has access to my device. So whichever application you are using, let's say for example, you are doing a transaction of 10 rupees, right? So Paytm, Google Pay, Phone Pay has access to your location for 24 hours. I am telling my location to him, which I don't want him to know. So that information is being shared across various agencies. They know what you are doing online. So let's say, for example, you are buying something on Flipkart, Amazon. Some delivery guy delivers that data is being sold online. So one address, one phone number is sold for 10 rupees. So let's say, for example, a delivery guy is delivering 100 deliveries today. So he gets a profit and that data is stored like this. That data is stored like this. So now I have access to your complete data. Then I have access to your Paytm data, जो आप Paytm use करते हैं हर दिन. So I have access to your address. I have access to your phone number, your name, So that is how easily the data is available online. So every six months, the Facebook, Instagram data is leaked online. So they have access to your password and also the browsing history, which you say, that also they have access to it. So in our terms, we call it cache memory. So in your terms, it is like browsing history. So that history is also stored online. So even if you clear your phone, still it is stored online. So using that, they reset your password. Madam, uninstalling app will not help you in any way unless and until you are deactivating your account. Gmail has an option to remove the account completely. Then your Facebook has an option to deactivate your account. Instagram has an option to deactivate your account. It is better rather than removing the application. It is better to first deactivate your account, then remove the application. That is much more safer. The more you are not on social media, the more it is better. So there is no point in being on social media. So that is what I recommend. So what the cases which we received were, we received complaints wherein we didn't understand how the WhatsApp was getting hacked. WhatsApp is a very big company. If their accounts are being hacked, then there is no point in using the service. So here what we understood was people were not using the two-factor authentication. They were using WhatsApp, but they were not using the two-factor authentication. That is when the accounts were getting compromised. That is when we understood start awareness programs on how to use two-factor authentication, because two-factor authentication will safeguard your WhatsApp. So for that there is an option called, you have account, then you have two-step verification, right? Turn on. Please enter your concerned email ID. Yeah, create your own PIN. Then for a backup, you can keep your email ID as backup. That's it. It's as simple as that. You don't know in the opposite person what the intentions are. That is why we recommend not to be on any social media platform until you don't know that person, right? I mean, knowing का मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि you just met him today and you started talking to him for 6 weeks and you know him, you knew everything about him. That is what it is. This is just one of the case scenarios. There are things which are not being reported also. Jo we have not seen being reported, still people are facing the same thing. That is why we recommend, if any one of your student or somebody from your organization is facing something like this, please do call 1930. Your details would be kept anonymous, because in the end we want to do justice to the one who is feeling the pain. That is what our intention is, because it is your money which is paying our salary. It is your money which is paying our salary. So it is our core job to help you irrespective of what happens next. That is what is our core duty, right? Thank you so much and thank you for your time.
One group. I think my heartfelt gratitude and thank you to you for coming. It means a lot. Yeah, ethical is always looked upon with a certain element of a doubt, I must say, but what work you are doing is tremendous, and I think you're helping out so many people, you and the team, to give that confidence that you are there when we need you, right? So thank you so much for that, and my heartfelt gratitude to your boss also for allowing you. I'm sure you have a very, very busy schedule. Mostly you are out of India is what I get to know, but it is very nice to have you on campus today. Again, on behalf of every teacher here, we all have families. We build beautiful dreams around it, but yes, of course, there is always an evil eye. And yeah, social media is something which we encourage also, and we discourage as well. So it is a choice which we need to make at the end of the day. However, listening to you also puts us in the space where we want to be extra careful, especially to protect ourselves and our families, for sure. So thank you once again. And on behalf of all of us, we would like to present you with a small token of gratitude.
Full session today on cybersecurity by Mr. Pragati Ratan, and he is into Forensic Department, Telangana Police. So in his session, we came to know that how we can balance, in the digital world. We have to use the digital apps and everything, but at the same time, he put in a word of caution to us that how can we be more careful and more cautious. And this was really an eye opener for all of us. He gave us some tips also how to use on WhatsApp, Chat GPT, banking, and everything. It's the only thing my takeaway was that we have to be more cautious, more aware, and I think that's all. And that's how we can, survive in this digital world. Thank you.
This session is all about the cyber security and safety. I mean, he has focused on the key points, how to keep our social accounts safe, how does the reality works outside. And he spoke also about the two-step verification in WhatsApp, which we generally don't do, and we have to do it.
సార్ చాలా విషయాల గురించి చెప్పారు ఈ డిజిటల్ లైక్ ఇన్ ప్రజెంట్ డే మోడర్న్ వరల్డ్లో ఎనీ సైబర్ సెక్యూరిటీ థ్రెట్స్ గురించి ఎట్లా మనం వీళ్ళన్నిటి నుంచి దూరం ఉండొచ్చు అండ్ ఏమేమి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ జరుగుతున్నాయి ప్రజెంట్ వరల్డ్లో ఎవ్రీథింగ్ అన్నిటి గురించి సార్ చాలా బాగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశారు లైక్ కొన్ని లైక్ సజెస్టివ్ మెజర్స్ 2-factor authentication మనం యూజ్ చేయడం అండ్ ఆల్సో ఇన్ ప్రజెంట్ డే మోడర్న్ వరల్డ్ సోషల్ మీడియా నుంచి ఎంత దూరం ఉంటే అంత మంచిది అని సార్ ఒక వెరీ గుడ్ పాయింట్ చాలా మంచి పాయింట్ చెప్పారు యాక్చువల్లీ ఇట్ ఈస్ ట్రూ